Hello everyone, we're going to talk to you today about a program called Formulate Pro. It allows you to enter information or text, adjust text and stuff in a PDF documents and reflatten the image. It's a useful tool if you're going to be filling out like a job application or a lease application for an apartment. You don't want to spend $50,000 in gasoline going across town. They can email you a PDF form. You can fill the PDF form out and you can re-email it back, and it's just as effective. I've actually had law firms send me documents that needed to be signed, and I've used a digital signature. I've used a signature here, and I'll show in another video later how to create a signature in Photoshop where you can place that signature image on any document using this Formulate Pro program. You go down here. Here's the web address. The download is code.google.com / Formulate Pro downloads list. You can Google Formulate Pro. There's plenty of places to download it. You load your Formulate Pro up. You open up a PDF file. In this example, I've got one's called a contract. You can set your window wherever you want where you can see it, and you have a zoom in and out button. You go to your text tool. You type in your name. You can do a birth date and an address. And you can do any of this subsequently on down to fill out the form. Now you see it's not in place, so you go over and hit your pointer tool. You grab the text that you typed. You drop it into the places that you want that to sit on that form when you resave it. Just like that. Now, if you're wanting to change the text, you just hit the text button, click on text that you've worked with, back swipe it. You can go select your fonts, show fonts. You can change to whatever, for example here, handwriting. And we can also make it bigger by selecting our bigger font over here to the right. You want to change the color, it works the same way. Show colors, pick your color. As you see, it changes it, but it has to be highlighted. Then you click it off like that. Now if it disappeared, you just want to expand, you just expand your box to where you can see all of the text that you typed. Click off of it. Grab it, set it on the line. You can change colors, font size, you can even add images into this file by saying place image, and then you can select an image. In this example, I'm going to use a little initial file that I have, and in a later video I'm going to show how to create initials and signatures of such. You'll grab the corners, you bring it down, and then you drag it into the place where you want that signature or that initial to sit, and then you click off of it. I'm going to show how to make a signature file in Photoshop where you can sign documents in PDF. When you're finished with this, you simply go to Print, PDF, save as Adobe PDF. It's going to process that file, and it will save it in a PDF form that's viewable with anyone that has Adobe Acrobat or an Acrobat Reader. It is an Adobe PDF file. Save it. Let that save. And here's the file. I'm going to open the file up. As you can see, it is Acrobat. This is Adobe. And there's the information that we put in there. I'll do more on images and logos and how to create signature files and such, and I'll have videos posted on that shortly, and I'll do some more on Formulate Pro. Formulate Pro is completely free, will save you tons of money in gasoline, traveling around town trying to sign paperwork or filling out lease agreements or whatever. This is easy. They PDF it to you blank, you fill it out, you re-PDF it, and you re-email it to them. Thank you very much.